Kaboom! Good, Dylan. Kaboom!
I'm gonna play kaboom.
Play kaboom. Ready? Who wants to go to Peter Piper Pizza? Raise their hand.
Yes!
Raise your hand.
I'm gonna play kaboom.
Show Mommy how you raise your hand. Can you raise your hand?
Yes.
Look at that.
I'm gonna play.
Zach,
I'm gonna get a fire inside that tunnel.
Zach, if you go to school, how do you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand like you're in school?
Yes.
Cup.
Can you raise your hand another way?
Okay.
Yeah, that's another way. Dylan, can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand?
Yes. There are the bikes.
Dylan, are you a crazy boy?
Can you make a silly face?
Zach, oh, are you going to make a silly face? Can you make a silly face and raise your hand? Good.
Wait.